Need a quick and healthy lunch that your kids will actually eat? This hidden veggie omelet takes only 5 minutes to whip up. Combine 2 eggs, half a shredded small carrot, a bit of shredded zucchini, some finely chopped onion, and a bit of shredded mozzarella. Mix until everything's evenly coated. Add some olive oil to your pan. Pour it and cook for about 3 minutes. Once the edges are set, flip and cook for another minute until golden and crisp. I like to serve each with a few avocado slices for those healthy fats. That's it, no fancy tools, no fuss. Even the pickiest eaters won't spot the veggies. This makes 2 perfect lunch portions. You'll feel good about this quick lunch, they'll be full. And you only dirtied 1 bowl and 1 pan preparing this. So next time you're short on time but want to prepare a kid-approved healthy lunch, try this quick hidden veggie omelet. Subscribe for more small batch healthy recipes that you and your kids will love.